Good morning.
Morning, Dad. Kids, breakfast ready. How are you?
It's a hard life, but I enjoy it. How are you anyway?
Busy.
Busy. Well, I'm busy as well. Just be careful lest you are too busy, because then the trouble starts.
Morning. Smells good.
You're early again.
Trying to beat traffic. Big meeting.
Take two and give one to your boss.
He needs some vitamin C.
Good morning, Nano. Alright.
Good morning. How are you, all right?
Alright.
Good, good.
Don't forget to call me at noon. Tell me what you want for lunch, and I'll send it over with a delivery, okay?
I want nothing, I guess.
Again. It's becoming a habit, huh?
You're not making lunch for the kids?
Dad, it's 2025. I'm so busy. Literally, kids can eat with just a click. Love you. Be good. Bye.
You eat like that every day?
Sometimes. Pizza yesterday, nuggets. Today maybe nuggets again.
Come on, boys. Let's go to the fields.
Saturday again.
It doesn't matter. I've got a job I can't do alone. I love this place. I've been coming here for years. This is what real food smells like.
I'm getting hungry. You call Mom now.
Better not. Let's finish first. No rest yet. Wash your tomatoes. Slice the bread. Okay, I'll do it myself, but we are making lunch.
For real?
From scratch. Today, you didn't just help me work in the fields. You helped me prove something very important.
What's that?
Good food doesn't need to be made very fast. It just needs to be made with care. And you can do this yourselves.
Let's prepare one for Mom and Papa.
That's it. Together. To fresh starts, fresh from the fields.